In this video, we'll take a look at dates in an album that I've already created. You saw that earlier in another video. And you can see these were taken in 2023. I know that for a fact, but why does it say January 1980? Well, one of these or several of these photos have been modified, and for some reason they put a random date of January 1980. It wasn't user generated, system generated. So how do you find it? Well, up at the top we have the information button. When you click on that, you have up here the date of a photo. Highlighted in blue is the date June 11, 2023. And if I keep going across, and for the benefit of time, all of these have the same date except as I get closer here, the next one right there, January 1, 1980. So that's the first of several. I come over to the next one and using the arrow key, the next one, and finally the last one. So these are the wrong date. So I'm going to change the date of these four. I've got one selected. I'm going to hold down the shift key and then select the last one. So I have four photos selected and they're all that same date. I now want to modify it so they all say June 23. Whatever the day is, doesn't matter. So let's go image, adjust date and time. It says 1/1/1980. Yeah, that's what it's going to do. So we want to say June, I think it was the 13th, doesn't matter. And that'll be 2023. And when I click that, watch what happens up here. Because right now we have two dates. When I click adjust, that should refresh. Let's see. Here they are. Once I clicked off it, we have the dates update. So there we are. All of the dates have been modified, or the four dates, I should say, have been modified to show the exact same date. Why is that important? Well, had we not done that, if we go up to the library, and if we go to the tippy top of this library of 30,000 plus photos, it puts them in chronological order. So the ones in 1980 would have been somewhere in the middle, wherever they are, it doesn't matter. But we want to try to keep our dates in chronological order. That's just me. You don't have to, but that's the way I like to do things. Because this way, if I'm scrolling through, here I am in 1980. Well, these are photos from 1980, whatever they are, doesn't matter. And then, as I scroll further down, actually, these are wrong as well. That wasn't in 1980. So I'd have to come in and check the information. And there they are, 1980. So this is wrong. So if I had the desire, I could go in and change all these. This is probably New York City, obviously. So I don't want to change these. But we aren't going to do that right now in this video. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's how you do it. And that's why you might want to make sure you have things in date order. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it.